Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox without an ID verification. First of all, you have to go to three dot over here, go to settings and go to in privacy. Now in privacy, you have to check whether you have microphone or not, or if you have voice chat or microphone feature. You can see that I have already microphone feature with chat with voice. If you want to get voice chat, guys, you just need to, if you don't see your this option in your privacy, it means you haven't verified your phone number. You just need to go to an account info where you have to enter your number, and using the one-time password you can verify your number. Once you verify your number, you will instantly get the voice chat or the microphone feature. So you can see that use microphone to chat with voice, but there is a condition. So chat with voice is currently available to 13 plus people and users, but in these countries only. So you must be in these countries to get voice chat with phone verification, and if you're not in these countries, then you have to use ID verification to enable chat with voice. It clearly says on Roblox page. So after phone verification, you will get the voice chat feature here. You just need to enable it from the privacy, and once you enable the voice chat from the privacy, now you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication. Let's open in any game to enable the voice chat in the game. Now guys, as you can see that I got this mic over Avtar's head. After enabling the microphone from the privacy, just tap on it, and as you can see I got this mic. You can see the variation as I'm talking. So basically Roblox is using my microphone to record my voice, or using my voice to chat with anyone. So now you can talk to anyone, interact with them using your microphone. This is the actual voice chat feature. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.